All right, YouTube, this is a quick recap of today's action in the Nasdaq 100 futures. Let's begin with the daily chart here. Right now, we are seeing a continuation of the sell-off that commenced a few days ago. Interestingly enough, the Cotnet Position reported institutional inflow to the Nasdaq had increased this week over last week, as represented by this blue line right here. If you see the kink up right there, that means that more institutions were actually investing in the Nasdaq than they were last week. Last week was kind of flat right here. This week they kind of increased their position sizing in this instrument. So the long-term filter actually caught the downward move right before it happened. If you notice right here how it aligns with this bar, the day before it happened, it actually caught the downward move. Really nice right there. You see that? Now the short-term filter, this captures short-term fluctuations, whether it's up or down. It's just about to cross the zero line. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in the next couple of days as we monitor the daily chart. One thing I will say is that the next level of support that I've got noted here is 12,953. So it's still a little bit of a ways down before it actually hits that. And maybe perhaps the insiders know something we don't, which is why they increased their position sizing between last week and the week before. So that's going to be something to watch, keep an eye on, guys. As far as the strategies that performed the best today, AI strategy number one did relatively well. It actually captured 100% of the down trades perfectly. Only had one loser for $950 right there. So basically 2 out of 3 trades were winners right here. Caught the afternoon trade really super nice right there as well. We also had this is a standard strategy. It's not an AI strategy. It's a simple algo strategy that I developed that captures fluctuations in the amplitude swings. This one right here was 80% accurate. So 4 out of 5 trades were winners right there. 100% of the down trades, if you notice right here, guys, were actually winners on this strategy alone right here. So this did really good today. On the ES front, we've got some interesting stuff right there. The ES today was a huge winner. It caught this monster downside trend right here that just ended all the way till the very last bar when the market closed. This was a huge winner in the intraday session today, and prior to the intraday, it actually caught a little upside right there. And of course, guys, I'm not up at 2 in the morning trading this, but this is running in the AM session while I'm asleep. So when I get up in the morning, I look at this and I see that this is going down. I know that I'm only supposed to take down trades on a day like this. Okay, so beyond that, we had some interesting things happen in the ES right here. ES just hit this top target right here, then just rolled over, came down to the 23.60 Fibonacci, kind of retraced a little bit, and then just went all the way down right there. That was your day with the ES right there, as well as the cycle rotation strategy didn't do too bad as well. This is a negatively correlated strategy with CL and the ES, and it actually did quite well. So that's your day in a nutshell right there, guys. Big winner today was the ES as well as the NQ, depending on what strategy you were trading. Now, if you want to see these strategies trade live, you can tune into the channel Monday through Friday at 12:30 Eastern Time, and you can watch these trade live. Until then, happy trading.